Welcome back to the Barbecue Lab. My name is David Gafford. It's a lovely December morning this morning, and we're actually going to make some smoked bacon and some French toast on the griddle. We're using the Pit Boss Platinum KC combo. I can't wait to show you what it looks like. So we fired the pellet grill side up to 350, and we're gonna go ahead and smoke some bacon, get this nice and crisped off. And so there's not a whole lot to it. You just take the bacon, we're gonna throw it in on the pellet grill side. And we're gonna let the grill do its magic. Now on the griddle side, we go ahead and fire this up too. We're gonna do some French toast on this side, have some breakfast, maybe a few eggs. But I'm telling you, a breakfast all the way on the grill without any mess inside, that's the way to go on the holiday weekend for us. So we're gonna come back out, do some French toast. So we've got the bacon going over on the pellet grill side, and we have our makings for our French toast over here. We're gonna go ahead and start making our French toast, and we're gonna keep it warm by putting it in a cooler in some glass Pyrex while we're out here. Because we're outside, you can see our breath, it's nice and cold today, but we're gonna make the whole entire breakfast on the grill. So as we have the bacon over here, we started at 350. We're noticing it's not going as fast as we'd like. We kicked it up to 400 degrees. That should help speed that along. And we're gonna go ahead and get started on our French toast. So here's all we're gonna do is we have our mixture here. You can find the recipe down below. But we're gonna go ahead and start dipping our bread in the mixture and get it on the griddle. All right, we'll come in and go ahead and flip these. Looking gorgeous. That's being problematic. All right, so I turned this side of the grill off, and so we're gonna go ahead and just stack our French toast over here to keep them warm. That way they don't completely cool off, but all I have to do is just move them over. And then we're good for round two. All right, so the French toast is inside. It's ready to actually eat. We have our bacon that we smoked for probably right around a half hour. Then we moved it over to the griddle side and finished it off, got it nice and crispy like we like it. And so I'm telling you, we've got breakfast completely on this grill with no mess, no fuss inside. And that's the way that I know that the camera person behind me likes it. So we want to show you the final product, but I'm going to tell you we love having both the pellet grill and the griddle in one grill where we can finish all of this. Get a nice smoke on the bacon, or twice smoked since bacon is smoked already in the package, and getting it nice and crispy on the griddle. It's a fantastic combination. All right, so we've got our finished product here. We've got our French toast, we've got our smoked and fried bacon. I'm gonna tell you it's gonna be a good breakfast here at the Barbecue Lab House. So if you're interested at all in the KC combo, as soon as it's available, we'll put a link down in the description below so you can find it online at Walmart and check it out for more details. Also, I want to give a special thanks out to Yukon Glory, who gave us the utensils to use on the flat top. We'll put a link to them down below as well. But we hope that you've enjoyed learning a little bit of how you can use the KC combo in everyday life. But for us, we love being able to make an entire meal out on the grill and keep the kitchen from becoming an absolute mess. We get to keep the mess outside. It's just something that we love about this. So this has been David from the Barbecue Lab. I look forward to seeing you next time.